Hello friends, today let's learn how to do Instagram puzzle using Canva and split image. So first of all, what you need to do is you go to file and bring in new, and when you bring in the new, you choose the size as 1200 pixels into 675 pixels, and then you select an appropriate grid, whichever grid you want to use. Today I'm going to use as this grid, which has 9 images. Once you have selected those grid, you can then decide later how many images you need to split the image. So let us get started. First of all, you need to do is you have to find the ruler as per the grid. You can just delete the grid. Now you can see you have already got in place an imaginary line where you can use. Now let us just select an image, what we want to do. Let us bring that image. Let us use this as a background. Then let us upload some pictures, whichever pictures we want to upload it in our Instagram. You can use upload media button to use all the images which you need to bring into. I have already uploaded my previous pictures, so I'll be using this picture and this picture. Here you can see there's something like enjoy life, life is good. You will have several other options which Canva will recommend you. I will not be using this one, so I'll just delete it. So you have more options here. I can, I will. Let us reposition this so that we can see the Burj Khalifa clearly. All right. Let us now bring in few alphabets. We can go for, there are a lot of new alphabets which Canva is introduced now. So here you have melt. If you want melt, you can go for melt. If you want floral, you can choose anything from floral. Here you have floral alphabets. You have honey alphabets. Let us go for watercolor. Here you have beautiful ones. So let us just write OK because this OK looks good. And we can just readjust the alphabets. And the machine is lagging a little bit. Alright, so once we save that image, just go to Find Tools to split your image. Select the image which we downloaded just now from Canva. And let us now adjust how many we need. So for vertically, we needed 2. And horizontally, we would need 3. And then let us just split the image. So there you have rule